Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day because right here in front of us are the newest pair of Tom Ford sunglasses I got my hands on, and these things are absolutely fantastic. Now, before we do walk you through the features and show them to you up close, just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same pair of Tom Ford sunglasses where you guys can read more about it, pick it up yourself after the video is done. The seller does give you a little eye care kit, spray, microfiber cloth, little tool there, pretty cool. Again, top link in the description box below. Of course, you have your Tom Ford box right here. I've been wearing these for the last several weeks, but you do have a little Tom Ford card, little instruction booklet, and a polishing cloth right here as we can see. Getting the box out of the way, we have ourselves a really cool black felt hard case right here. That again is hard case Tom Ford right here. You open it on up and you have another microfiber cloth here, and then of course it did have plastic, and it does have a Tom Ford logo on that microfiber cloth, Tom Ford logo inside the case. And again, I've been wearing these for the last couple weeks and absolutely love them. I'll show it to you on my face with my features of my face, and these things are absolutely awesome. So, very nice frames to them here. A very subtle Tom Ford logo in the top right corner. Of course, your gold little divots, I'm just going to call them here on the corners, that Tom Ford is known for, as well as the gold down middle of the earpiece here. Now, these earpieces are a little bit thinner than what you might be used to, but I think they look really, really sharp. You do have another little Tom Ford logo down here on the bottom. Of course, your Tom Ford made in Italy on the interior portion. And again, I'll link these below, but these are the Fletcher's TF832s. Same thing on this side here. You have your gold accents to them here. And these lenses are actually more of a kind of a grayer, bluisher tint to them. And if you're not used to it, you get used to it pretty quickly, but I think they look super sharp as well as kind of a flatter, square look to them right here. If you are wondering, the hinges don't go this way, but of course they do fold this way. And here's an interior look of them right here. So let's go ahead and show you how they look on my face. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a closer look at the Tom Fords. So as you can see here, I really love the squarer look to them here. Now, if you're not wondering, I do have a narrower, taller head here. I do have a large German nose, as you can see it right here, but I think these look incredibly sharp, especially with the decals here, as well as here. If people know Tom Ford, they can easily spot these. And again, loving the look to them here. A little bit oversized, which I personally like. I don't like narrower ones. I kind of like oversized sunglasses. They're not too oversized, but as I'm talking about like oversized as in going this direction here, where they go past the edge of my face here. They look good on my bigger nose, and I think they look absolutely sharp as well. So if you can tell by the lenses, they are that kind of a bluer, grayer tint to them here. And again, a very subtle Tom Ford logo right here. And looking out, they look very clean. But if you're not used to that bluer look to them, now I believe the seller also sells darker, like really high-end tinted window type of lenses. These have a little bit more of a bluish tint to them, as we can see there. Let me get in a little bit tighter. Let me flip you around this way. You can see my eyes a little bit, but they are darker. Let me get you a kind of a different couple little angles here as we can see the coloring of the lenses. But again, they look really clean and sharp. And these, again, have been my go-tos the last several weeks of wearing them. I just think they look absolutely fantastic. I whip them off my head, walk into Costco, pop them on my collar like this. And then when I'm ready to go, I pop them on. And I see the folks that know Tom Ford, they're like, that guy got Tom Ford sunglasses on. Take a look at him. Anyway, super awesome. Love these sunglasses. And just like all my videos, again, top link in the description box below, guys, will be this same pair. They also have some other really sweet pairs. So check out that link. Check out the seller. Top link in the description box below. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Tech-related videos, DIY home projects. I did all this myself. Van life builds and more. Top link in the description box below. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next review video. Bye-bye for now.